When we start Microsoft Excel, by default we're taken to the Start screen, which is a place that will provide us with options like creating a new workbook, opening an existing workbook, or displaying templated or featured workbooks that can be used as a starting point for creating a new spreadsheet. However, the problem with the Start screen is that as you become more expert with using Excel, you might start to find the Start screen distracting and unnecessary. So in this video, we're going to show you how to turn off the Start screen for Microsoft Excel. As we currently have a blank workbook open, we first need to locate and click on File, which will return us to the Start screen. If we now locate the More option from the sidebar, when we click it, we're presented with a quick menu. If we select options from this menu, we're shown a window that will allow us to customize Excel. With General highlighted in the sidebar, in the list of options under the heading General, we need to locate the setting Startup Options. Now by simply unticking the setting Show the Start menu when this application starts, if we click OK, and then close Excel, when we reopen it, instead of displaying the Start screen, we're taken straight into a blank workbook. However, if you find that you need to use the Start screen, perhaps to load a recently saved file, or use a template, simply click on File to once again display the Start screen.